Today I'm going to give you a little insight on the mine management system which we have built, which is used to manage mine companies' day-to-day operations with different aspects such as exploration, production, planning, scheduling, and asset management. The main goal of the mine management system we built was to optimize the efficiency and productivity of the mine operations by real-time data-driven and analysis to support the decision making for the company. So let me give a little insight of the application. This is the screen when user land up to the application after login. Here is the example of site map, which is for the demo purposes. So here you can see all the installation currently on the site. From here you can select the site which you need to check out with and which is listed. And from here you can select the asset which you need to keep the track of. And here are the options to keep the fencings available with the labels for easy tracking. And here are asset types which you can easily locate, with the help of which you can find any specific machine which you would like to keep the check with. And we used geotab devices and integration for the real-time tracking and data analysis of the objects. This section as well provides us provision to directly filter out the areas we want to land on. For example, if I just want to check out with dumping areas, so I will eliminate other options and will just keep the dumping areas available. So does with the landing areas, and you can directly jump onto the any specific landing area or block you want to. For example, if we want to check out with the block 6, so we simply click on it and it will directly get us to the specific area. Same for the dumping area, we will have the list of all the dumping areas which are available. So if we want to jump on specific one, we can simply click on it to get to the place. And same for maintenance area and operation area. And we do have provision to change the map layouts with the help of pre-designed sections, such as if you want to check out with the aerial view, we can simply check out with the aerial view. And if you want to change the sections to different block sections, so we can simply click on it to just keep the blocks available, so we can have a good overview of the site for the mining area. Let's explore the other features of the map. So we do have cycle replay. This feature allows us to track the movements of the asset for the particular time, such as if we want to check any vehicle's movement and work, so we can select the day, time, till the time we need to check out its movements. And after that we can select the type of the asset, and then we can select the asset we need to track. And after clicking the replay, it will give us the real time movement of the vehicle, such as time, speed, location, and what kind of work it was performing, like dumping or hulling. And here's the heat map module. This module shows the most active areas in the site with the number of assets we have available in that particular area. After viewing the map modules, let's check out with the management sections, which plays a quite a big role. So first module is delay. This module allows site admin or site manager to check out with any of the operation which is delayed by its nature, which has been assigned to any asset or operator. Shift configuration module allow site admin or operator to check with the existing activities which has been assigned to any operator as per the work. Task module help us to check out with the existing tasks assigned to the assets, not to operators. So they can check out like what machine or asset is required to perform what specific task at specific time. Maintenance module allow site operator or site manager to check with any of the asset which is currently in the maintenance mode, so they can keep the track of any of the existing asset which is not functional or is not operating right now currently on the site. Plant module helps to keep the check with current scenarios of all the operators and assets currently deployed on the site along with their work schedule. Material allocation allow site admin to check with what kind of material has been assigned to which area and to which asset to manage that particular role. Material type gives a brief info on what kind of material it is and what is the load capacity that is required to be put on the asset. Target area allow site admin to check with any of the current operation and targets assigned to the asset or operator to keep the check if they have or they are performing currently in on the site, or they are just still on the process of performing the tasks. Operators are the people or person who has been assigned with a job or specific tasks. So with the help of this, site admin can check with the current activities, like what task has been assigned to which operator and who is performing which task. After giving insight on the major management module sections, let's check with the analysis module, which gives good insight on vehicle past and current moments to the site admin or the vehicle administrator. Cycle trace allows site admin to check with the moments and the work layout of a particular hull in specific time frame, such as, for instance, we select the time frame of week to check with specific hull, and upon clicking a trace it will give us a good insight on its traces along with loads, dumps, buckets, ignitions, moment, etc. It will also specifically allow us to download the image, and we can check with the abbreviations over here. Whereas regarding cycle review, it also plays the same function, but it gives us the detailed overview of a specific hull's moments, kind of material they have been carrying, what kind of dumping area they were deployed to, etc. In event trace, site admin can check with the moments and events specifically happen in any asset. So if we select any of the asset and select trace, it will give us a good insight on the positions and specific events happen to any of the vehicle or any of the asset which we have selected in the asset sections on daily basis and give the report of month, and upon clicking that it will generate the dashboard which gives a detailed overview of the assets we have selected with their work processes. After viewing the analysis module, let's check out with the reports module. Here we have management, schedule reports, schedule report logs, account reports, and account templates. In management, site admin can select any of the operation to fetch the report specific to it. For instance, here admin can select the site from which he need to get the report. Here he can select the dates out from which day to from which day they need in a report, and they can select the default group of assets and can fetch the report, or either they can email it or they can download the report once report is generated, so they can and download the reports as per the operations which have been listed over here. So this management mind module for the site admin plays a quite big role when it comes to cross check with all the functionalities and work which has been done by the operators and site peoples. Apart from that, we have schedule reports where site admin can create reports based on the requirement and those reports will be generated and sent to the recipient anytime whenever needed. And here is the schedule report log, like to whom what reports have been sending, what's the data which is need to be, which is already there in the reports and all the things. And there is account reporting, which is directly linked with the schedule report log, where it gives the name of the county and what reports have been sent. And here is account template, where site admin or admin can work on the existing cycles of any operation which is going over the site currently. So these are the initial modules which have been built in the mine management system. Apart from that, site admin and admin manager can have unlimited access to uh, edit, update, or delete any of the module, any of the vehicle assets, operation, or cycles, which can be performed easily. So this is as of now. So hope this demo helped you to get the initial understanding of the mine management system we have built. For any query, you can drop an email to the given email ID, or get in touch with us for having a detailed discussion and detailed demo of this application. Or if you are interested in exploring this area, we would like to have you on board for the same. Thank you.